right, we have about 30 minutes left here until the market opens for the last day of June. So Tuesday, June 30th here. And I'm going to be taking a look at where this market wants to go and just levels that I'm looking at to trade off of here. So on the daily, yesterday we broke Friday's highs, and then last night I believe we broke over Wednesday highs, but rejecting Wednesday highs here. And now we're down 0.11% here on the MNQ or NASDAQ futures. So what I'm looking for here is a bounce off of previous Friday high, which is 29,893, or I'm just going to see what price action does around there. I'm looking for a support spot there. If not, I want to go all the way down to 29,759 to see if we can get a dip buy. So 29,759 was that previous Friday gap where we gapped up. So we've been trading around that area for a couple of days now. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame here. So as you see here, we rejected Wednesday high. I don't know where Wednesday high is. Here we go. So overnight we made a higher high. We made it in between Thursday high and Wednesday high, making a high of around 30,200. We came back down, we retested it, making a lower high, and now we're making lower lows. So what I'm looking for, like I said, is Friday high. Here is an area of interest here. Around that 29,900 level is probably where I'm going to be looking at to see what price action does once we get down there. So if we have a move to the downside to 29,900, I want to see what price action does. Is it, still breaking down? Is it closing lower than that? Are we making lower lows after that, or are we bouncing and making like a V-shaped recovery to go back to the upside? So currently, right now, we're battling with 30,000. I think it might lose it here pretty soon. So those two are the levels that I'm looking at. So long down here at 29,900, and see if we can retest, overnight highs or Wednesday highs. And then after that, if we do keep breaking 29,900, I want to see a move down to 29,750 area, just because, like I said, is that previous Friday gap fill that we had. So that is what I'm looking at. I'm going to take a quick look at SpaceX here. So it's rejecting 165 up here, as you see here. So previous rejection here, previous rejection here, yesterday actually. So we're going to come all the way back down. So I don't know. I might be a little bit more bearish on SpaceX, especially if we move up towards 165. If we start breaking 165, I might take a call there. But if we reject 165, I want to see us in puts. So that is the game plan for SpaceX there and MNQ. So last day of June. And yesterday, I actually took a payout from my Take Profit Pro funded account. It was a total of 362 minus the 20% commission. I think I withdrew 289 or something like that. But right now I'm up $200 and $359 right now. So I am eligible for another payout, but I'm gonna see what we can do here. See if these levels come to fruition, and if they don't, we don't have to trade, right? There's no reason to make more money. I'm up 359, 360. I can take another $350 payout and then call it a June, and I'll be up almost $700 on profits for trading on Take Private Trader for 2 days now. So this is going to be my second day trading with a pro funded account. So we'll see what the market does. But like I said, down here, 29,900, and we keep making lower lows. Let's go short. But if we bounce up, start making higher highs, coming back up, let's go into calls or go long here on the MNQ. So good luck, everybody. Make sure to follow your rules. Stay patient. I know I had an issue with staying patient yesterday as well. Market here opens in 25 minutes. Good luck.